What's up, everybody? So for this video I have some new parts that I've actually been holding on to for a while. I've been waiting to put them on because I'm waiting for my car to get back from getting painted, which took a lot longer than expected. But I have like a little chest that I have some parts like saved in there. So at the moment, kind of waiting for the right time to go ahead and install these parts. So I think how things are going right now is kind of like the best time I can do this. The weather's supposed to get bad today. I don't know what time, and now it's gonna be bad probably like the whole weekend. So I feel like I really want to put out a new video. It's been a couple weeks already. Today I'm gonna go and install my new turn signal intakes, covers or housings, whatever. I had gotten those some months ago. Honestly, I don't even remember how much I got for them, but it was from Miata, and I actually been looking a lot into that site. Like, they have some pretty good stuff out there for my Miata, for all of them actually. So I actually have them right here. They're in the box. They've been just chilling in the box for I don't know how long already. Now is like finally the best time I could actually install them. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox them, show you what we got in here in the box, and then we'll go out there and install the parts. So as you can see, I don't have a dedicated unboxing desk or anything. I just have my lamp and the top of my dresser. But yeah, the parts are right here in the box. So I'm going to take them out for y'all. Here they are out of the box. Got 2 resistors. Got the 2 LED amber bulbs. The intake, turn signal intake housings. Yeah, they look. This is pretty much all that's in the box. Not too much, pretty simple. Yeah, here goes the intake housing with the turn signal that goes right there. This is actually really nice. Like, if you can see like the way the black is, the paint, like it's actually some good high quality plastic. Like, I thought it was gonna be cheap looking in person, but it looks really nice in person. It's clean. Like, this is a really nice design. I like this a lot. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but these are pretty nice looking. Can't wait to pop these into the car. It's definitely gonna be a huge difference. Pretty excited to try that out. But yeah, this is it right here, and we're about to go out there now and install these babies. So check this out, guys. Remember these old crusty doo-doos? Yeah, I've been waiting to change these out for a while already. Oh man, this is one of the things that's like really throwing off the front. Yeah, I cannot wait to change these out. These just look horrible. Yeah, I don't even know how old these been on the car. I don't know how long he's been on the car. Like, these things are definitely ready to go. Just ruins the front end by a lot. But yeah, let's go ahead and pop these out. So I got these out, and it looks like someone's already been in here. Yeah, someone's already been through here, messed with the wiring, but it's all good. I can make this work. All right, I went ahead and did the rewiring, added the resistor. This is the new LED amber bulb compared to the old poo-poo bulb, old grandpa. But yeah, I want to go ahead and test this out. I don't want to install everything just yet. Just kind of want to test it, make sure it's working. At the moment, I don't have a heat gun, and I don't have the little like butt connectors to connect the wires together and heat the ends to have a good strong connection. I just kind of like twisted both wires together and used electrical tape. It's the best I can do now, but once I get what I need, then I'll come back and fix that, clean it up. But yeah, let me go ahead and test this out for the moment. Oh, it's working. It's working good. This side, I don't know what's up with that side, but this side, it's working good. Yep, so that's looking good. We're going to install the housing, plug it back into the housing, and I'll show you how it looks with the housing on. Oh my gosh, look at the difference. There's this side right there and the original. That's a huge difference right there. Oh man, it looks so much better like that. All right, time to get started on this side. See how it looks in the end. Can't wait. I got both of them in. I did all the wiring. I'm gonna have to come back and fix the wiring, kind of clean it up a little bit better than just electrical tape for now. But this is until I get what I need, parts I need and all that. But Yeah, this just looks way better. Look at that. Oh wow, that is so clean. That's way better. Okay, let me go ahead and turn the lights on, test the lights out. Hopefully they both work. I'll be right back. I tried to turn the lights on. This side was working, but this side there's a weak connection. But I did get it to work. It was just a weak connection because of the wiring, but I'm gonna fix that pretty soon. Pretty much done for the most part. Yeah, it looks way better. I actually got my new shift knob and my new shift boot. I'm gonna go and install that too. See how that turns out as well. All right, guys, I'm in the car right now. I don't even got a radio in this thing, man. I have a radio, but I can't even put it in yet. Like, I want to put it in. I tried connecting it, but I only got one speaker right now. Oh shit. There's like a wiring issue somewhere, so I need to take it somewhere. Maybe when I get a new system later, see if they can hopefully figure out what's going on. Why come I'm not getting any sound out of my speaker, my one speaker. But yeah, I want to get a system in here pretty soon, man. It kind of sucks, like riding around with this. But I don't know, ain't nothing right here. Anyways, so I got a new shift boot and a new shift knob that I've been holding on to for months since I finally got my car back. I got this from Amazon. Right here. It's like a suede with red stitching. Man, I'm so excited. Oh my god, dude, this looks way better in person. I like the way it feels too. Ooh, it's gonna look good on there. Can't wait. This thing don't even go to this car. Like, it just spins. Like, when I'm shifting, it's annoying because it'll be spinning in my hand. Like, look. It don't even, it just, this thing is like ass, bro. Like, it's horrible. It just spins. I'm so glad we got a newer, better shift knob. But I'll show you here in a bit which shift knob I got. I've been holding on to it for like, I don't know how many months already, but I'm pretty excited to show you all that too. I got it in. Yup, it already looks way better. I don't see all the bullcrap showing up in there. But yeah, it's already looking cleaner. Time to see what we got up in here. Alright. So yes, I went online and I ended up getting a shift knob from Grip Royal. Yeah. It was expensive ass little shift knob, I don't know. More than I expected. Look at this, it's pretty cool. They give me some like little stickers. They give me like, it's pretty cool. I can hang that up on my rearview mirror. I'll see. It looks pretty cool, I like it. And now, the shift knob. Right here. Bam! I got this sucker customized. That's pretty cool because you can like pick whichever color combinations you want. And I don't know, white, black, and red are like some of my favorite colors combined. And I think it looks pretty cool. Like, it's not bad. Here it is right here. Dang. It looks pretty dope in my opinion. Right here it says GR, Grip Royal. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, let's go and pop this on real quick. It should fit. I made sure to have the right one with the right threads. So I hope it fits. Ooh! Man, that looks clean. Love the way that looks. Golly, bro. That feels so much better. Oh my god, bro. Oh my gosh. Put it in reverse. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is like a game changer right here. This little boo-boo ass shit I had. Hell no, bro. Let's get that out of here. Trash. This is like 100 times better, I swear. This is pretty awesome. This is my first time experiencing something like this. Like, I'm pretty excited, not gonna lie. Alright guys, so oh man, I got some bad news. So after I installed my shift knob, I went ahead and I wanted to test it out, you know, just got everything put together, the shift boot, the shift knob. I was all excited. I was like, yeah, let's go for a drive. I like literally went like 2 minutes down the road and that shit like broke on me. Like, I was like shifting and it like snapped like, well, I I was driving, so I was like, I got pissed, not gonna lie, but I was looking at it, checking it out, and I noticed that the little adapter that goes inside of the shift knob, that's meant for the shaft to my car. It somehow just broke, and I only have one actually. I didn't buy extras or anything like that, so that was kind of dumb on my part. Went online, ordered some more, waiting for those to come in so that way I can check it out, try it out again. I actually noticed I was checking out the shaft, and I realized that the threads to my shaft are torn. The threads to my shaft are actually cross-threaded. Like whoever owned the car before or something, I guess they try to put a knob on, and they probably put the wrong knob that doesn't go to that shaft, and just kind of messed up, tore up the threads. So because I checked it out, and I was like, just kind of realized that threads weren't right. They're all like beat up. So I'm gonna have to get like a tool. I forgot what it's called, but I think Ronald might have the tool. Do that first before I can finally put my shift knob on. So I'm about to wait on that, see when I can do that, as soon as I can. But it's all good. I'll just keep using the white shift knob for now. No big deal. It's it still works. It does the job. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use that for as long as I can until I can get that fixed, and we'll just see from there. That's gonna end the video for today. I'm not able to put out videos as often as I wish. I would like to. Just in my personal life, just a lot of things kind of hold me back a little bit. Like a lot of things come up, just kind of make it tough on me for what I want to do with YouTube. It's my passion. It's what I love doing. It's what I've been wanting to do for the longest. I just gotta take care of what I gotta take care of, while at the same time trying to maintain my channel on YouTube. It's tough, not gonna lie. It's kind of hard, and I just don't want to give up because I love doing this. I love making videos. Like, it's fun. I really enjoy it. I want to stay on it. I'm trying my best to keep my videos consistent. Like, it's been a couple weeks since I put out videos, so I found a good time to make another video, and I want to try to put it out as soon as I can. Just try to keep it consistent. It may take like a week, maybe a couple weeks, maybe a little bit longer, like just depending on how things go with my personal life. But yeah, I can't do have my regular job, but and try to do YouTube on the side. But once I get my YouTube going, like just kind of get the ball rolling, and that could be my full-time thing for sure. I could definitely put out content like more often, like just the way I would love to. It's just at the moment can't. I'm still pretty fresh on YouTube and trying to get the ball rolling on that. But hopefully soon, like probably by the end of the year, who knows, like, or maybe sometime next year. But I just want to stay consistent, try to as time goes on, the quality of the videos are going to go up better and better. Right now I'm using the GoPro for my videos, and I'm trying to save up to get a better camera for the channel, and to take better pictures too. So just one step at a time. It's like, it's tough right now, but one step at a time. I would like to just kind of upgrade my gear, upgrade everything I can for the channel, like just kind of invest into that, and just kind of do whatever I can at the moment. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I want to thank y'all so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe my video. Click on the bell notification, so every time my videos come up, y'all will get a notification whenever a video comes up, and y'all can watch it like as soon as y'all can. Y'all take it easy. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.